Okay. For the first, I want to say thank you for this opportunity has given in our team. Today, we will present about our group project for system modeling lecture. The title of this project is Improving Productivity in Car Assist System Production Line by using discrete event simulation in leading car spare part manufacturer at Indonesia. Okay, my lecturer is Dr. Sumarsono, and next I will introduce our member in team. The first is, my name is Ahmad Torik Habib, and then there is other member, Mas Ibnu Hidman, and then there is Mas Iqbal, there is Mas Haryanto, Mas Adi, and Mbak Septian Rahmawati. Okay. This is the content our presentation. The first is research introduction, and then we go through the literature review, and the third is research methods, and then we go to result and discussion, and the last content is conclusion and suggestion. Okay, the first, the research introduction will present by Mas Adi.
Okay, thank you. I will explain what the research introduction in chapter 1. This is our project, and for the introduction of general product or spare part manufacturer in Indonesia. The three main of spare part manufacture. First, there is a thermal part, and the second, powertrain part, and the third, electronic part. And then for the spare part production, this is a graph of daily production in manufacturing spare part production, which is the car assay is the biggest volume production with the 36 quantity per day. So our project in this car assay production. Next. And of car assay, this is car assay production for the function of car assay is for the control the air moisture and temperature condition inside the car. And then car assay has two type module. This is rear and front type in car. And in 22, we saw and each month there the big quantity for the car assay tip front type. So we need to review about our product in car assay tip front type. Next. And this is a process flow car assay production on front type. There is three sub IC. What can I say? Three main line for to make car assay and combine with the final assembling line. The final we produce in car assay. This is first of all part between evaporator, gas assembling, and motor assembly combined in final assembling line. For the first evaporator assembling and motor and then leak and next again for the final checking, and this is a unit car assay in final assembly. Next. And for the background, our project is a review from the volume production in car assay front type. On June 22, there is an increase update in production car assay division. There is a assembling line with low operation ratio, and then we have a high loss and low productivity can fulfill the schedule on June 22. Next. And for the comparison between actual and schedule on the final assembling line of car assay, the actual production is 7,169, and then for the planned schedule it's 1,025, which means there is gap is 33% between actual and planning schedule on. And for the existing system, the management have an idea, and for to absorb on schedule plan, there is a addition working hour in holiday overtime or a weekend overtime, and addition one manpower to increase productivity. So the productivity actual can achieve as a plan, which means productivity actual has achieved 1,050, and then for the schedule achieve 10 target. But we need to improve for not addition working hour and then not addition one manpower. So we must to what can I say, improve in our production line. Next. For the problem itself, how to access productivity system in Karase contact in final assembling. For the how to achieve then with the productivity actual to achieve as schedule plan is 125. How to improve our productivity representation in Karase contact in final assembling using discrete event simulation in car spare part manufacturing. And then for the object, we know and compare the existing system of Karase for the existing productivity system in the final assembly line with a simulation using a Pro Model 7. And we also to productivity in Karase front type in final assembly line. And scope and limitation, we have a source data. First, we observation on the line, and then document review from PT of car spare manufacturing, and then we simulation with Pro Model also, and we analyze based on existing condition in car asset type of final assembling line, and then we simulate also for existing condition and propose improvement of car asset front type in final assembling line.
Baik.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Torik. I will present about lecture review and most related research. Lateral review for our project, there are 5 part or section. This will all have our project. First, lean manufacturing is management method and strategy to improve efficiency in manufacturing to effective and good profit. Second, car air conditioning production. This is first our project or process our project about evaporator subassembling, gas subassembling, motor blower subassembling, and final assembling at car spare part company. And third, discrete event simulation. This is how to improve our project using discrete event simulation or DAS. Next. And for Pro Model software, this is software to simulation our project. We use Pro Model 7.0 version student and Toyota Production System or TPS. This is activity at the company with level based on the awareness to eliminate waste to develop better manufacturing technique to provide the best quality, lowest cost, short production lead time. Next, this is all journal. It will have our project and serve as a guideline and become evidence that someone has done it. There are Baraka modeling system simulation, and by using Simul8, improvement result increase 4% of production capacity. Second, Yesilgul modeling and simulation by using Extend Sim8 about analyzing the process, creating suggestion in order to improve the production of line and building a flexibility simulation model. Menurut Sasongko, using Arena software and about create effective improvement proposal to reduce time waste and increase efficiency in line assembly. And the last is Victory, using Pro model student version 7.5 make simulation model to increase service level in Quincy system of taking medicine at public health center. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Iqbal, for the explanation about chapter 2, Strat Review. And we continue to Mbak Septian Rahmawati. She can explain about chapter 3 in research method. Okay, Mbak Septi.
Okay, thank you for the time, as we will explain about the research method. The first is the research flow process. In the research flow process, there is a research exploratory. In the research exploratory, there is a company observation, literature review, and define the problem of the product. And the second is the data processing. Data processing is descriptive statistic and the stat fit. And we get the data of location, entity, arrival, and processing. But the next is existing system. In an existing system, we can make an existing system model and we simulate the model using Pro model application, and we validate the data. And the next, proposed improvement. Proposed improvement is we improve the model and we simulate again with using the Pro model application. And then the next is conclusion and suggestion. In the conclusion and suggestion, we can get the conclude of the improvement, and we can get the suggestion and recommendation of the improvement product. Next. There is the data modeling process. This is the flow of existing car air conditioning from type final assembly line. The first, the warehouse. To the evaporating assembly, to the case assembly, and then to the motor and blower assembly. And for the next, go to leak test and noise test, and then go to final check 1. And to final check 2, and next to finish good, and for the last is send to staging area. Next. And this is the layout and simulation existing in air conditioning front type final assembling line. The warehouse from the warehouse transfer to workstation 1 or evaporator assembling. We can use trolley for the transportation. And then next to the workstation 2 or case assembling, next to the workstation 3 or motor and blowing assembling, next to the workstation 4 we doing the leak test and then the noise test, and then to the final station 6 to final check 1, and then go to the workstation 7 to the final check 2. We use the man or worker for the transportation. And next to finish good, we can use the manpower also to the transportation. And for the last is from finish good sent to staging area using the handling for the transportation.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Septi, for the explanation about chapter 3, research methods. Yeah? And then we continue to discuss about result and discussion. For this section, Mas Ibnu can explain about the data processing and the existing system in this chapter. Okay, Mas Ibnu.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tariq, for this opportunity. In this chapter 4, I will explain about data processing, result and discussion. Result of testing the data using StatFit on ProModel 7.0. And we can see the table. The result data using StatFit. There are item tests such as mean, max, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and distribution. In testing this data points are obtained from the result of recording time production in May for 31 days. We can see the first evaporator assembly distribution with uniform, and then case assembling with normal distribution, and then motor and blower assembling with uniform distribution, leak test exponential distribution, and then noise test uniform, final check 1 and final check 2 with exponential distribution. Next. Next, about existing system. The data of simulation model based on lab method. What is lab? Lab is location, entities, arrival, and processing. The first is warehouse. Then the raw material is transferred to the evaporator assembling with a processing white U. U means uniform because the evaporating assembling processing with distribution uniform of 67.4 seconds. Then to cache assembling with processing with n means normal with 63.7 seconds. Then to the motor and blower IC, then to the leak test, and then if the component is done, and continue with the noise test. Then to final check one with exponential processing, E weight E means exponential distribution. With final check one 75.7 second, and final check two with E 76.5 second. And then send to finish good area, and the last one is send to staging area by hand lift manually. Simulation layout. Before we from the data processing, we using the Pro model. The first is warehouse where the raw material is transferred to the evaporator AC using hand lift. There is hand lift. Yes, there is. And then in the evaporator AC, there is one manpower. The case AC also has manpower, one manpower, sorry. Leak test has one manpower. Noise test has one manpower also. Final check also has one manpower. Final check one and final check two also has one manpower. Then from the finished good, it is transferred to staging area using hand lift by one manpower. Next. We can see the video Pro model 7.0, and the result is this video. This slide is simulation result of existing system using Pro model 7.0. The first is general report. The simulation time is 16 hours because the production of the car AC has to work shift. One shift work for 8 hours and warm up for 2 hours. 1 hour per shift. Second, there is location report. Yes. The staging area is where the last process of AC car production is with the highest value with 754.90. And the third, there is a result report based on the graph. It is found that hand lift one is often used or often moved, and the highest value 2. And the last one is entities report with total entities, which is 754.90. Sorry, 0.90. Next. Next is validation output of real system and simulation. Simulation is replicated for 10 times. And we got the mean is 755 as a front time. Then compare with the actual output of real production. Yes, that's right. The difference between real system and simulation is not significant, with the percentage is 1.4%. With real system, 769, and simulation, the value is 755. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas Ibnu, for explanation about data processing and the result of simulation for existing system. Okay, for the next, I will continue about proposed improvement. This is the proposed improvement from our group discussion. Okay, for the first, I want to show about flow existing. In flow existing, we can see there is 10 steps of the production process in car AC from type assembly line. The first steps is from begin from warehouse, and then the last is in staging area. From the simulation with flow model, we can see the two location which is can make a problem in here. I want to show you about the two points. The first is in final check 1 and final check 2. From the simulation, we can see the process is stuck in here because in this station in Valve 1 and Valve 2, this is the longest process in flow, and then the process is serial. So after the final check 1, the material in progress can move in final check 2. This is the problem in here we can see from the simulation. And then the next we can see the problem too in finished good area to staging area. From the problem in this area, this is the problem is for the transportation material finished good to staging area. In here we can see the maximum of hand lift to move the finished good from finished good area to staging area is 4 pieces for 1 good. Okay. And then from the simulation, we can make the proposed flow. In here, we can see from our discussion group, the flow process from warehouse to the noise test is there is no difference between in flow system, but we can improve the process flow in final check 1 and to the staging area. In here, we can see we remove the finished good area. There is no finished good area in here. And then from the noise test, the process we made from parallel process. So the material in progress can send to the final check 1 or the final check 2. And this is we can set by turn. Okay. Okay, the next is we can discuss about a layout. Okay, from the flow we can make layout. This is in the left is this is a layout existing in 10 step, yeah, from warehouse and the staging area, and then we make improvement in proposed layout. In here, the difference is from noise test and to the staging area. Okay, in here the first we made the parallel process from noise test to the final check 1 or to the final check 2. So the material can move by turn. If the first material move to final check 2, and there is the material 2 can move to the final check 2. We can improve in the final check 1 and final check 2, or workstation 6 and 7. For the improving the process time, to reduce the process time, we can add the camera check. So the operator can use the camera check to process checking faster. And then for the final check 1 and final check 2, we can use atau we can applicate about automatic guide vehicle to make to transport the AC car to the staging area. Okay, the next is we can set the data simulation based on LEIP method. In here, we can see there is no difference too in warehouse from the noise test, because we not improve in here. In the new data, in here we can see in the final check 1 and the final check 2, which is the time is 62 seconds. This is reduced from the last from the previously model in 75 seconds. So the process checking atau the process time in workstation final check is more than faster. And then from the transfer we can applicate about automatic vehicle to transport the material, which is in this we can use the automatic vehicle in for the transportation for one route is maximum quantity is X. So this is more than twice for the transportation before. Okay. In here we can see about in the simulation layout we can made in Pro Model 7.0, and this is the different from the previously layout. Yeah, there is a final check 1 and a final check 2. We made the parallel process with conveyor, and then from the move final check 1 and final check 2 to staging area, we can use automatic guide vehicle. Okay, and this is the video about the simulation. We can run the running the simulation. We can see for 1 day. Okay, the material start from the warehouse, and the difference is in the final check 1 and final check 2. We can see the material sending to final check 1, and we can see 2 in here. The material sent to the move to the final check 2, and then final check 1 and 2 move with automatic guide vehicle. Okay. For next, this is about analyze the result. We can compare the existing system and the proposed improvement. For the first, I want to show about the general report. In here, there is no different about existing system and the proposed improvement. From the warm-up time and the simulation time is not different. There is no different because we set the time is for 1 day is 60 hours. Yeah. Okay, and then the difference is in the resource report. We can see the first is the number of resource. In existing system, we can use the resource is 4, and then for the cost improvement, we can use 3 resource. The resource is for the first is a trolley, and the second is automatic guide vehicle 1 and automatic guide vehicle 2. Okay, for the percentage about utilization process is reduced to from the 23.03% is reduced to 11.53%. Okay, for the entities report, we can see the difference about production quantity in existing system and the proposed improvement. In here, we can see the productivity increased up to 36%. Okay. And then the last in chapter 4, we can analyze about the problem in our proposed improvement, because we can see the main problem is the electricity, because majority in our layout or our machine, the power is from the electricity. Okay, we can set the 4 condition here. For the first is power outage for 0.5 hours. We can see the production target is achieved. Okay, there is no problem in here. Okay, the second is we set if the power outage for 1 hours, we can see there is no problem here too, because the production target is achieved. Okay, the third condition, we can see the power outage is for 2 hours. In here, this is the information or the warning about this condition, because in this condition, production target and simulation proposed is the same quantity. And the last, for the fourth condition, we can see the power outage for the 3 hours, and this is the problem. So the production target is not achieved. Okay. Okay. For the next is the last chapter. We can discuss about conclusion and suggestion for this project. For the next, will be present by Mas Yayan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Torik. So for conclusion from our group analysis include currency front type final assembling line process in the existing system divided into 10 steps with the workers is for operators, and the distribution of data in each step there is uniform, normal, and exponential. Total exit of currency front type in the simulation result is 755 units per day, where the percentage of difference between real system is only 1.43%. The first proposed improvement is change flow from noise test to final check 1 and 2 becomes parallel line with adding the camera for reduce the time for process checking. The second improvement is remove finished good area and change the transport from final check 1 and 2 with to automatic gate vehicle. The process divided into nine steps with the research is 3. Total exit of RAC front type is 1,176 units per day, and productivity can increase by 36%. And next, for suggestion, our group, point 1, to increase the reproducibility of RAC front type, need to use and apply the proposed improvement model to the real system. Point 2, to ensure the incoming electricity supply has a good maintenance, need to establish a good cooperation with built-in management and management safety staff. And for recommendation, point 1, it is necessary to add another variables that affect to the failure of the proposed improvement work function within improvement continuously. And point 2, it is necessary to calculate cost and need to review about return on investment when implementing the proposed improvement to the real system, because that need high budget investment. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas Yayan, for the presentation. Okay, I think there is enough for our group team. In group 2, thank you for the attention. Thank you for our member team. Thank you for the all work together. Okay, I can close this presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.